Achha. Hello, sir. Today I present the unemployment rate analysis. And first of all, I import pandas as PD. Then I import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Okay. So actually, I use pandas for analysis the data and matplotlib.pyplot as alias. Alias means here PLT or anything else can be here like anything else PL, AL, DL, anything else. This is called allies actually. So this is called actually allies. So import matplotlib actually this is for visualization, the analysis for better understanding of their stakeholder who are stakeholders. They are better understand um, the analysis part. Okay, so actually first of all we need to read we need to read our data, our CSV data which I download from Kaggle. So here I use raw data. R means raw data. If I not use R, so we need to there like this type of sign but everywhere. So for that reason I use simply R means raw data, so it use it. So we don't need to change every sign, okay, every black slash in front slash. Okay, so with PD I read this CSV file to df1, and then I use df1 dot drop na means you drop a row. If you use drop, only drop, then obviously this is for column, delete the column where none value is means non a number value is available and any blank value or null value is available. So drop this row or column. Okay, and if you need to specific column delete or specific row delete, so for row delete drop df1 dot drop na, and then specify your row. But in this case I don't know need to delete any row because here every data is here. So I don't specify any column, sorry, any row. And if you delete any specific, if you need to delete any specific column, so you use df1 dot drop, and in bracket you write the specific column name. Column is equal to a specific that between third bracket you write a column name, and then in place is equal to true. In place is equal to true means this in place is equal to true, not give you a new table. Okay, it replace your old table. Okay, so this is actually I do that, I do here. So then df2 same operation I use pd for and read the data. Okay, and then df2 dot drop now if any column, if any row is present here which has none value, so you drop this. But yes, in case of like above 2%, above 50% is any type of data, any type of missing data in this table. So you don't need to actually you should uh, no, you should not use this type of data where 50 above 50% or 50% data is unavailable. Okay, so you need to percentage these data. So you can see that which percentage data unavailable. But here is not here I not specify this type of operation because I don't need here this type of operation. Okay, so then after that I use columns to keep means specific column. Like if you use whole data, all columns, but in this case we not need to analyze all columns. First of all, we need to analysis in our mind that which data, which is our requirement, and according to requirement which data, which column and which row we need, which column we need. Okay, so I cut the some columns for my need. Okay, to requirement in task 2 at unemployment. So according to task unemployment analysis, I think that region means state, here state, date, and estimate unemployment rate I need for this analysis. And then I use df1 dot columns is equal to df1 dot columns dot str dot strip, means we strip a gap, any type of any space before column name or after column name, we strip these spaces. Okay, and after that df1 is equal to df1 column to keep, we need to this column. Okay, only this column from both table, because in Kaggle when I download this table, there is two table are here. So and in this two table different type of analysis are there actually. So we need to join this. So for join we need to same number of column, we need to same name, same column name. Okay, so then so for that reason I cut some part of the table, and then I input df1 and df2. Then I change the column name. Suppose new column is equal to state, date, calculation, unemployment rate. Date of calculation means when you calculate the rate of state. Okay, suppose so here we use df1 dot columns is equal to new column, and df2 dot columns is equal to new column, means we use this new name according to this. Okay, and after that merge data frame, in merge data frame we merge means join. We say previously I perform join because I have a two data set. I have a two data set means I have a two csv file. So and in one csv files 219 and also 220 data is available, but in second file we have 200 2020 data. But we need to when we see the when we analyze the data of two CSV, then I see that in second file, Arunachal Pradesh 2902 2020 data is match with is not match sorry is not match with 2000 first CSV file. Okay, because in first CSV file this same date same state data is different, so we need to take the average or mean value of these two different values. Okay, so for that reason we need to join this table, and after join this table outer join, after outer join, because if I use inner join, so may if every column is you say every column is deleted, and so I use outer join. So for that reason every column sorry every row is now available in a one data set like df3. So and I name mask data set dot to csv, means I give it this name. Okay, to this mask csv file. So reload mask data frame is df3. Okay, so df3 means df1 df2 when I join, then create a df3. Okay, this file pd.csv, this csv file is created, but I read this csv file and put this value in df3. So then I use df3.group by, means state, according to a state what is the unemployment rate, because now I have a average value. Now I have a average value according this two csv file, and like in 2020 in Arunachal Pradesh in one date many type of output are there in these two files. So I need to mean this value, so I merge these using outer join, and then according to a state I then according to a state I analysis unemployment rate. So these are for and short this value. Okay, short this value because it's very easy to analyze, who analyze for any non-technical person who need this data to understand. Okay, so I short this value for better representation or better visualization. Then I plot, then I use plot as like this is the allies, so I use allies, and then I make this and plot dot show. Plot dot saving means I save this. Plot dot show. So this is the rate, okay, state wise average unemployment percentage. This is the second question, sorry, first question. After cleaning this data, and after cleaning this data, I visualize this state wise average unemployment percentage data. Okay, but in this task, second task is in this task, one is what is the impact of COVID-19 in unemployment data. So I use this same operation, and where I change, like here you can see this, the suffix means df1 df2, so this is not important. So to this from this part it is actually different, because df3, because you see that every part is same, um, and you see that every part is same. Okay, so one second. Okay, so from this part it is actually different. First of all, first make sure date of calculation is date time, so by this code, and after that I extract year column, means year wise. If you you all think that if I analyze, if I short according to 2019 what is the unemployment rate, and if I analyze this according to the 2019 what is the unemployment rate, and according to the 2020 what is the unemployment rate, what is it is increased or it is decreased. If it is increased, so impact of COVID-19, for impact of COVID-19 unemployment rate is increased, means employment is decreased. Or if this is less than 2029, means the unemployment the rate is less, so it is obviously employment rate is increased. Okay, so you see that year wise means 2019 the unemployment rate is 9.399047, and in 2020 13.798906. So how it is possible, that you see that year wise unemployment rate, year wise unemployment rate, so it is increased. Obviously unemployment rate into a 9, or here is 13, sorry, 13.7, so obviously it is 14, and 9.39 means 9.4, so obviously it is increased unemployment rate. So for COVID-19 impact, the percentage of unemployment rate is increased, this is the impact. Okay, and by how many percentage on 2019 data, if I see that on 2019 data, if I see the percentage, so this is the percentage minus 86.201094. Okay, so this is all about the my project. Thank you, sir. And also I upload this code in GitHub. I share this link, so thank you.